Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves your wallet and your sanity by comparing the coolest gadgets out there. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a filament at 250 degrees Celsius. On my left, we have the QIDI MAX3, a beast that'll make your wallet cry at $1,099. And on my right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, the budget-friendly speedster at just $239. Let's dive in and see which one will print its way into your heart and which one will just leave you tangled in filament. First up, let's talk speed. The QIDI MAX3 boasts a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second. That's like strapping a rocket to your prints. According to reviewers, this printer is incredibly efficient for large projects and demanding timelines. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo is no slouch either, with a max speed of 250 millimeters per second and a recommended speed of 150 millimeters per second. Reviewers love how it offers decent speed for its price range, making it like getting a sports car for the price of a scooter. If you need your prints faster than you need your morning coffee, QIDI MAX3 is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and can wait a smidge longer, Kobra 2 Neo won't disappoint. Now, let's talk about build quality. The QIDI MAX3 is built like a tank with its ultra-stable all-metal frame, 6mm thick aluminum heat bed, and 10mm hardened steel linear shafts. Reviewers have praised its robust construction and reliability. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is more like a sturdy bicycle. It's got a decent build, but doesn't quite have the same "you can't break me" vibe. Reviewers find it to be reliable for everyday printing needs. If you're planning on printing the Eiffel Tower, QIDI MAX3 is your guy. But if you're just looking to print some fun trinkets, the Kobra 2 Neo will do just fine. When it comes to filament versatility, the QIDI MAX3 is like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. It can handle everything from PLA and ABS to the more exotic PA, 12CF, and carbon fiber. It's like the James Bond of 3D printing, versatile and always ready for a challenge. Reviewers appreciate its ability to handle a wide range of materials. The Kobra 2 Neo, while not as versatile, still does a decent job with PLA, ABS, and PETG. It's more like your reliable sidekick. Maybe not as glamorous, but it gets the job done. Reviewers have found it to be quite satisfactory for standard printing materials. Precision and quality are where the rubber meets the road. The QIDI MAX3 has an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans, ensuring your prints come out looking sharper than a ninja star. It's perfect for intricate designs and small-scale prototypes. According to reviewers, the print quality is exceptional. The Kobra 2 Neo, with its linear propulsion and input shaping, also delivers impressive quality, especially for its price. Reviewers mention that it consistently produces great prints and is a solid choice for budget-conscious users. It's like comparing a master chef to a really good home cook. Both will make you a great meal, but one might just add that extra flair. Last but not least, customer support. QIDI MAX3 offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance, with a promise to solve your problems within 12 hours. Reviewers have had positive experiences with their responsive and helpful customer service. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo also offers a 1-year after-service, with specific warranties for the print head and heated bed, and lifetime tech support. However, reviews are mixed, with some users praising the support and others facing ongoing issues. It's like having a helpful neighbor, always there when you need them, but maybe not in a tuxedo. Reviewers agree that both 3D printers have their strengths. The QIDI MAX3 is praised for its speed, build quality, filament versatility, precision, and excellent customer support. It's seen as a professional-grade machine suitable for serious hobbyists and businesses. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is valued for its budget-friendly price, decent speed, reliability, and satisfactory print quality. However, its customer support has received mixed reviews, with some users experiencing issues. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you've got the cash and want a professional-grade printer that can handle anything you throw at it, the QIDI MAX3 is your guy. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still packs a punch, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a fantastic choice. Whether you're printing prototypes, miniatures, or just some fun doodads, there's a 3D printer out there with your name on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.